Hey guys, now that you understand what is the difference between a website and a funnel, now I want to show you what are the different types of funnels. So on a very fundamental level, there are only three basic type of funnels, and all the other types of funnels are derived from these different types, okay, these fundamental types. So the first type is the opt-in funnel or the squeeze page funnel or the lead magnet funnel, okay. So what is an opt-in funnel? If you just are capturing the email addresses or the contact information of your lead, then you want to do the opt-in funnel. So in an opt-in funnel, what you really do is you put up an offer, you put up a hook on a squeeze page, on a very simple squeeze page. You put a video and you ask people to opt in for your offer basically, and they give you their email addresses, they give you their phone numbers, and then you can put them into some kind of a follow-up autoresponder, email autoresponder, such as in MailChimp or GetResponse, and basically follow up with your leads and sell them something down the road. Okay, so this is what we call the opt-in funnel. The other type of funnel is the sales funnel. You use a sales funnel when you are directly selling something to your customers. Okay, so for example, if you are selling something, some e-commerce product, you would use a sales funnel. If you're selling your services, you would use a sales funnel. If you're selling some digital product, you would use a sales funnel. So sales funnel is when you want to capture the payments through credit cards or through PayPal, then that's the way to go. Okay. The next type of the funnel is the membership funnel. So what is a membership funnel? A membership funnel is when you want to launch an online training or online course to sell to your students basically. So a membership funnel allows you to upload your courses and modules and lets your members log in and watch all those trainings online. So this is when you create a membership funnel. So you have to decide which type of funnel is suitable for your business. So if you're just capturing the leads, then the opt-in funnel is the one you need. If you are capturing the payments, if you are selling something, whether it be product or service or an e-commerce product, then you want to do the sales funnel. And if you are selling an online training, online course, if you want to create a community, if you want to create a discussion forum, then the membership funnel is the one you want. Okay, thank you.